In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a drop-down list of all countries in Google Forms. Whether you're building a registration form, a survey that needs accurate location data, or you simply want to make your form look more professional, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open Google Forms in your browser and start with either a blank form or an existing one. Once you're inside, click on the first question field and name it Countries. This helps your respondents instantly understand what the dropdown is for. After naming your question, look to the right side of the question box and click on the question type menu. From the list, select Dropdown. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. Next, open a new tab in your browser. In the search bar, type Countries Name List and press Enter. You'll usually find a complete list right at the top of the results most of the time. It's from a reliable website that organizes country names line by line. Click on the first link, and once the page loads, highlight and copy the entire list of country names. This gives you every country without needing to type them manually. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure the list you're copying is formatted with one country per line. Doing this beforehand prevents messy formatting when you paste it into Google Forms. Also, double-check that there are no extra symbols or numbers attached. You want clean text only. Once you've copied the list, return to your Google form. Click into the first option field under your drop-down question, then simply paste the entire list. Google Forms will automatically split them into individual options, giving you a clean, organized drop-down of every country. After that, you should be able to preview your form and test the drop-down without any interruptions. It's also a good idea to scan through the list once to ensure no country names duplicated or pasted incorrectly. Taking this extra step ensures everything looks polished and accurate. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to create a full drop-down list of all countries in Google Forms easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?